But Jimmy, I put in an order for Gigantic Hypermarket to be delivered next Monday. 10,000 chicken wings, 8,000 drumsticks, 3,000 breasts, and 500 dressed poultry. Can you confirm we have enough stock in the warehouse? What do you mean you don't know? Can't you see if we have enough stock? Or ask the slaughterhouse. Hang on, Jimmy, I have to take this.
You told me you had 5,000 drumsticks. Now you tell me you can only manage 2,000? Summer's almost here and I need them for the barbecue promo.
Where's my drumsticks? I was supposed to get them yesterday.
Oh, thank you for your help, Jimmy. Can you also inform logistics that this order must reach the customer on time? They have a big promotion coming up.
I'm sorry, Michelle. No more drumsticks, 8,000 for gigantic and 2,000 for fresh. Planning didn't notify me, so this is what we processed for. We can spare 3,000 thighs to cover the fresh supermarket order. How about that?
But Bob, I placed this order for fresh last month. Drumsticks, not legs. Didn't you foresee this? What will they do with legs?
Are your salespeople constantly let down by lack of visibility over what's happening in your supply chain? Know exactly what is happening so you can make promises you can keep. Quintiq's real-time visibility means that sales can finally accept orders confidently.
Yes, Mr. Anders, 12,000 chicken wings and 15,000 thighs right in time for the new year. Yep, no problem. Rest assured your order will reach your outlets on December 29th.
And it's not just real-time visibility for sales either, but throughout your meat processing supply chain. Quintiq's master scheduling means visibility at every stage, at all levels. From Michelle in sales to Jimmy and Bob in processing, all the way to warehouse, packaging, and logistics. All data in the system is available to everyone in the supply chain. The single fully integrated Quintiq system enables you to collaborate in real time, forecast demand, and plan disassembly to fulfill orders. So don't let your planning problems eat you up.